Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts to someone in Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now go to the chats option in the bottom section of your screen. Here, open the chat of the person to whom you want to send the gift. Click on the gift icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can see a wide variety of gifts that you can send. You'll have to keep in mind that you must have certain amount of diamonds in order to send gifts. Now tap on the gift that you want to send. Then tap on send button. So that is how you can send gift to someone in Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.